Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Island Energy Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty and Wellness pageant unveiled the 24 finalists to the public at a media launch and sashing held at Eden Gardens Wellness Resort and Spa in St. Andrew on Tuesday. This year, the annual pageant is revamped as franchise holders Uzuri International will crown 3 queens at the grand coronation. The 3 lucky ladies will now be crowned Miss Universe Jamaica, Miss Jamaica Grand and Miss Intercontinental Jamaica. At Tuesday's event, the bevy of beauties sashayed in cocktail dresses courtesy of Loud Fashions, and then a swimwear by Aquamarine Swimwear. Speaking with the Prime Director of the Miss Universe Jamaica organization, Carl Williams shared his appreciation for sponsors who helped make the staging a success.
I want to say a big thank you to the sponsors that came on board to make this a success. The Marie Institute, Television Jamaica, Eden Gardens, Island Energy, iCool, and these are some people who have been with us, and we have some new ones coming on this year.
He also gave details on the scholarships that will be awarded at the pageant.
We have some fantastic scholarships lined up. The top 3 queens that we're crowning this year: Miss Universe Jamaica, Miss Grand International, and Miss Intercontinental. And all 3 ladies will win a scholarship value of $64,000 US. The 4th scholarship that we have, we're going to give it to a needy Jamaican. So we're going to send out some social media info for young ladies and young guys to apply to win the scholarship.
The Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty and Wellness pageant is scheduled for the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston on August 24 and will be aired live right here on TVJ. Artist, producer and composer Craig Dixon is on a mission to energize the reggae movement across the world, starting with the land of wood and water. As the son of Bobby Digital Dixon, Giark inherited his father's passion for quality music production. Giark is committed to help spread the positive music coming out of the island and has been instrumental in creating music for artists worldwide, including Chronix, Kabaka Pyramid, Daniel Bambata Marley, Fayan Lions, and Raging Fire, among others. Some of his recent recordings include King Son and So Nice, where lyrical content range from roots and culture to love and reality. Recently, he released the visuals for the track I've Been There, which features passionate vocals and stunning visuals. Giark's most recent single, Papi, the opening track on High Society's Reggae 420 compilation, will be released in conjunction with Dub Rockers label, an entity of VP Music Group, Inc. Recording artist TJ is all set to share the stage with dancehall artist Idonia and Grammy Award-winning US rapper T.I. this weekend. Coming off the heels of his impressive performance at Reggae Sumfest, TJ is already upping the ante as he makes final preparations for departure to the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, where he is slated to headline the highly publicized Great Fete Weekend. Great Fete Weekend is a series of annual parties hosted at Pigeon Point Beach Resort and other popular locations on the Isle of Tobago. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran.